Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
To the GiLDiN. Run it again.
Half price to the GiLDiN. Come on, by Chuck. Oh, Lord. Born tired.
Man say that half a tree.
I'm right at the NCB bank. I'm not there on Saturday or Sunday, but anytime you come, you can get something for the GiLDiN. Come on for the Chuck, man.
Come on, fight Chuck.
Man. Oh, Lord. Look how long. Come on. Lazy.
Alright viewers and subscribers, you don't know how the Skilla, you see it. First of all, I want to say happy Father's Day to all of the real father them. Firstly, I have to big up my father because he's the real general. If I never him, I'm not there, you see it. I want to big up a whole heap of fathers, like all the fathers them where me see I try to show out for them youth them, you know. Me see one father, him can't get certain things done and I not tell no lie, he make sure he go up on social media and him asks all around, you know, me see him all on Star and so forth. You see me I say? And I want to big him up too, I want to big up all my father them, you see. So here we are going now. This brother here make some sale out. That thing that we see in her hand is a thing we call roots. It's a thing that has something to do with your testosterone and the pheromone and the whole thing what they call name, you know, the whole sex drive thing. You see me I say to you? Yeah, I might not remember the name right now, but you know me I talk about. You see me I say? Yeah, so that thing is supposed to boost your immune system and your sex drive. You see? Alright, so this thing I know what they call name GiLDiN. Because I realize GiLDiN is a word where come like it's a Jamaican built word or something, you see me? So for those who don't come from Jamaica, I'm going to tell you what GiLDiN means. GiLDiN means a man that can't reproduce or can't get a woman pregnant, I should say. A man, you know, there's so many different meanings to it because some people call GiLDiN a man that is either in just no one have the youth or in just can't have no youth. So it's either one out of the two ways. You see me I say? And when you hear say come off of the truck, it means to say that at the time when you come off of the truck of having no kids. You see me? Come join the truck of the man them will have pitney. Or come join the road of the man them will have pitney. You see me I say? I don't really man to have pitney. Wipe and they have, but you know what I mean, and get youth. You see me I say? Yeah. And you have this man we then call name the construction official man there. You see me I say, Bada Cat, if you ever hear you say about you have pitney, I get pitney, you see me? I was calling to him and say a whole heap of man a mine jacket, but you don't know the thing already, you see me? So again, I want to pick up all of the fathers them on a Father's Day like this, you see me I say? And this I one I would then call name the half price Father's Day special where this man has sell the roots, you see me I say? Yeah, build up your testosterone, you see me I say? Make it, you know, the whole aphrodisiac. You see, me just remember the word a while ago, aphrodisiac. That's the word, you see? Yeah. Alright. But anyways, I don't know. Big up all the father, them respect again. You don't know Dancehall Skilla, so respect too. No, happy Father's Day. And happy Father's Day to myself and to my father and to everybody. And as always, you don't know if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave in the comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?